What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I just got over here to the shop. We're at B&K Performance again. We're going to work on this car today, and we're going to work on Randy's car a little bit. We're trying to get ready. We got no prep happening this weekend at Darlington, so I'm going to make a few changes to the car. Don't forget to go to turbojohnracing.com to grab yourself some t-shirts, and we've also got that cool little flip coin you can grab if you don't already have one. Check it out. All right, guys, so the main thing we're going to do to mine today, we're trying to get ready for the no prep race. So hopefully it's going to be pretty easy. Under the hood should be good. We haven't cranked it up in a little while, so we're fixing to crank it up. One of the things, changing the tires, I was in here the other day, and you can see the inner edge of the tire here, the outer edge of the tire there versus in the middle. There's a lot rougher pattern on the outside. So that what that tells me is kind of what the tire marks were showing, is that it doesn't have enough air pressure. So we're going to put some more air pressure in the tires. Is one thing. We've been running about 10 pounds. We're going to jack that up to 11 pounds. But the other thing we're going to do is we're going to try to give this thing some anti-squat. So we got these nice QA1 shocks. Those Mod Series shocks are freaking unbelievable. They're awesome. But the lower control arm is going uphill slightly. The upper control arm is going downhill very slightly. It's almost level. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit more anti-squat in the car. So I'm going to move the upper control arm down one hole on both sides, and then we're going to increase the air pressure. For the shock settings, I don't know. We're going to have to think about that. I don't know exactly what we're going to do on shock settings yet, but they're going to probably be a little firmer on compression and probably a little bit looser on the rebound, so we can get it to separate, try to plant the tire with a little bit more air pressure, and hopefully it'll do similar to what Kendall and them boys are doing. We'll probably put a little bit of weight back here on the back, on the rear end. We have not been running any on the rear end in a while, but I think we're going to put a little bit on the rear end, and then we're going to possibly add a little bit more weight on the bumper. So here, let's get started. All right, so we are done under here. You see I just moved, it's getting kind of dark, but I just basically moved that down one hole now. So it is down a hole. So it's gonna have a little bit more anti-squat. I took 50 pounds out of the trunk here, which is about right here, and I moved it to a parachute mount. So that's just gonna give it more leverage on the back. So with it further back, it should pick up the nose a little bit better. So that's all we're going to do to this one other than change the tires. Brantley got the tires off a minute ago. So we're going to be doing those, waiting on Randy to get here. And then Brian's in here. He's got his hot rod up on the lift. Oh, yeah, I don't know if y'all noticed that or not. It's a tilt front end. That's pretty cool. But they're changing, putting slicks on, getting ready to go race Bulldozer. The Bulldozer, again, at Kinston at their home track. So that's a 14-inch wide wheel. 28 by 10. It is a W. That thing is super wide though. That thing looks awesome. So that's going to be a good race. Trying to let the Bulldozer get back at his own track. All right, so now it's time to change tires. So we're going to change tires real fast. Our buddy Donald got me a new set of tires. Donald, I appreciate you getting me some tires. This is really going to be helpful this weekend at the no prep race. It's amazing how very little passes and these things go away. All right, guys, well, that's going to wrap it up tonight. I think we're good to go. We moved a little bit of extra weight back here to the back. Tires are on it. Got some anti-squat. Darlington, no prep as long as we got gas, as long as everybody can get there, which I went and filled the motorhome up today. So I am good. I am good to get there and get back at least get most of the way back. So I've got a motorhome if I break down beside the road and run out. So we are good to go. So we're ready to roll. We'll see y'all at Darlington this Friday and Saturday. Small tire is racing Saturday. Big tire, I think, is Friday night. And they got a couple other classes. They got to run what you brung, 4-wheel drive, all-wheel drive. But we're in the small tire class. I think they said first round, small tire, 11:30 on Saturday. So if y'all are close to Darlington, come see us. Y'all make sure to go to turbojohnracing.com to grab yourself some merchandise. Later, guys.